Hey everyone, Aaron here from Jim's Antennas. Now, we install the most fantastic antennas in Australia, but there's one comment we hear quite a lot when we're in a customer's house, and that is, wow, I didn't know you did that. So I'm here today to talk to you about not just only do we do antennas, but our motto is we're more than antennas. So when we're in your house, we can have a look around and say to you, that TV on the cabinet looks fantastic, how about we put it on the wall? We might talk about your Wi-Fi in your house. Wi-Fi, there's a dead spot over there in that corner. You really want to fix the Wi-Fi up, we can give you solutions to that as well. Not just that, how about your home theatre system? Yeah, the sound's pretty good, but we can even make it even better. Not only can we install home theatre, but we can supply and install for you as well. We can put a soundbar on the wall, we can put TVs on the wall, we can put cameras in your house, we can put access control. There's so many things that we can do at Jim's Antennas, so just ask. So that comment of, we didn't know you do that, there's plenty of ways around that as well. So if you're not sure of the services that we offer, don't hesitate to check out our website at jimsantennas.com.au, or for a free obligation quote, give us a call on 131546.